In this video, I'll show you how to customize the thank you message that is displayed after someone signs up for your newsletter on Squarespace. Hi, I'm Christy Price. I'm a Squarespace expert and educator. And if you're walking through my Squarespace pre launch checklist, welcome back. If you haven't grabbed a copy of the checklist yet, I'll drop a link below so you can do that. We are back here in my Sway template for service providers. If you are interested in this template or want to check out the others in my shop, I'll drop a link below. And today I'm going to show you how to customize what happens after someone fills out their info to sign up on your newsletter. So, in our last video, we looked at the newsletter block and I showed you how to set up the storage for that. And now I want to show you how to give your new subscribers a little more information about what's happening next. Say someone fills out their name and email and they hit subscribe. The default message is just this little tiny thank you. So let's look at how to edit that and give folks who are subscribing a little more information. So we have a couple of options here. We can change the text, or we can actually send them to a new page that you have created just for newsletter subscribers. So first, let's look at how to update the text that appears here. I'm going to go into my newsletter block and scroll to the bottom of content and look for post submit. So you can see here, message by default is toggled on. The default message is thank you. This is where you can change the text. Now, if you happen to have double opt-in turned on, and that's something we talked about in the last video, then you'll want to give them some instructions here. Thank you. Please check your email and confirm your subscription. Let them know there's an email coming for them. If not, give them a little more context. Thank you. You're now subscribed to my newsletter. I typically send out a newsletter every week letting you know about news and events or whatever it is that you do. Just give them a little more information here. And you can add links here, you can bold, you can italicize, but the most important thing here is just to give them a little extra context. Now, another option is to create a full thank you page for those subscribers. So this is a page that I showed you that I redirect people to after they fill out my form. You could do something similar with your newsletter block. You could give them some other things to do. You could give them a freebie to download here to say thank you for signing up. But whatever you want to do, you'll create a customized page and then you'll come back here and instead of message, you'll click redirect and you will just look for that link in your pages here. So let's pretend it's Instagram link in bio, which it's not. It's going to be a lovely thank you page that you create, but you can see you can connect it right here. And then after someone fills out this newsletter block with their name and email address, they are going to be redirected to that special thank you page you have created just for them. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like or drop a comment below. That helps other people find my videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I wish you all the best with your website.